No doubt, the spicy margarita and spicy drinks in general is such a huge trend and craze across America. There are numerous ways that you can incorporate spice into your margaritas, lots of techniques and tactics. This spicy triple sec, it's one of my favorite things that I've tasted in a while, and I wanted to use it today to show you how you can make that consistently beautiful margarita with spice. Here we're gonna balance out the triple sec with the lime juice because they're gonna be a bit more on par with each other because of the sweetness level and the sour. So, as always, let's start with our least expensive ingredient. We're gonna start with that lime juice, and it's coming in at 0.75 ounces. If you like your margaritas a bit more tart, bump it up to an ounce. As I stated before, this is a spicy triple sec, so it's great because it's gonna add the sweetness and the spice simultaneously. This does have a lot of heat on it, so we are going to start it at just 0.75 ounces. Again, if you're someone who wants a teeny bit more sweetness and you're like, I love spice, take it up to an ounce. A lot of traditional spicy margaritas use Blanco tequila, but in this instance, I do like to take it up to a Reposado tequila. A Reposado is a tequila that's aged in barrels anywhere between 1 month to 1 year. So Reposado means rested. And I do enjoy the fact that we get some of the notes from the oak barrels that are gonna be going on in this cocktail. And it can stand up next to the heat in the extremities, sometimes a bit more than the Blanco, which could fade away because of the other flavors that are in the drink. We're gonna do 2 ounces of this into our cocktail. Here's a fun trick. If you're making a spicy margarita and you're not sure if you like the spice level, maybe it's too spicy, maybe it's not spicy enough, you can always give it a stir and a bit of a taste beforehand to see if it's exactly where you want it to be. So before we shake up this cocktail, I want to get our glassware ready with a really special rim that's going to amplify what's in the cocktail shaker. So this is a Pam Wiz trick. When I serve spicy margaritas, I think a lot of the fun isn't just what's in the cocktail itself, but I think it's also what's on the rim of the glass. And you don't just have to do salt. I like to use pink Himalayan sea salt, our sugar, both coming in at 1 tablespoon. We've got our cayenne pepper and our ground up pink peppercorn. Both of them are coming in at 1 teaspoon. And this is the perfect ratio. I've never served a cocktail with this rim where people just don't go crazy about it. And then you're gonna start stirring it together. So, give it a stir. And really mix it together. If you don't wanna stir it on the plate, I actually suggest taking it to a baggie and putting it in there and then just shaking it about. Let's get the rim onto the glass. So we're gonna take our lime, get that rim going, and we're going to roll it into the salt and spice mixture. I also love it because it adds a nice definition of color to the drink. It's always fun to bring in lots of different colors, makes it aesthetically pleasing. People get really excited. It's a conversation starter. They're like, what is on the side of that glass? We like to ice the glass at the same time that we ice the tin. And let's shake. Awesome. And you'll see that the spicy triple sec gives it a little bit of a different color than if it was just a regular margarita, right? It's got a little bit of like pink hues going on in there. It's up to you if you like to add a garnish. I don't always think you have to throw a pepper in there. To me, this rim is doing all of the justice of this drink. It's offering the garnish, the aesthetics, and it complements the color really nicely. Well, enough talking, let's give it a try. I love this. Sometimes margaritas can skew a bit too sweet. I love this triple sec because the spice level is so prominent. The sweetness is a little bit less intense than sometimes when you use agave. That fresh lime pops. The Reposado really rounds out the drink, but the star of the show is really the rim. The rim is bringing it all together. The pops of the flavor, that pink peppercorn. This is fire. Or they say fuego.